Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
ही आमची म्हणजे फाटी दिसती पडटा ती आनी म्हणजे मुखार ही स्ट्रॉंग वॉटर ड्रेन वेर एटलीस्ट इन अ रेन मिनिमम 1.5 to 2 meter means this much height उदक वयता हिंगा आनी ऑन माय रायट हँड सायड यू सी दॅट इज एरिया ट्रेडिशनल आमचे भुरगे सायद नुस्त्या माताले इट्स लायक अ लेक इट्स अ ह्यूज लेक ड्युरिंग द monsoon season. No environment impact assessment has been done in this area. And this is supposed to be a special project, a time-bound project. What are they doing in bits and parts? We challenge the authority. Now what they are doing, they are asking the landlords who are the actual victims. My landlords are here. They are the actual victims of this area. But they have to prove their credentials. They have to prove that they own the land.
तेज जाल्यार ताका कांय प्रूफ ना तो कांय दाखयना येताय कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर इंजिनियर म्हणटा प्रूफ दाखयता पूण वयता पुलीस फोर्स मागता हें कांय सोजमो ना हें कायद्यान कोत्ताय वो गव्हर्मेंट लोकांक सोतावपाक दादागिरी कोत्ता.
Future, the water, they are not planning how the water should go, how the whatever the drainage, nothing. And they are only bothered about the double track, I think so. So we are going to have a massive problem with, during the rainy season.
Chief Minister came over here, Pramod Sawant. Cabral came over here. Deputy Collector came, the present Deputy Collector. He thinks there's no end to himself. We have written a letter to him to come and show us how he is going to do all this. If the things are clear to us, then we can see about it. But he is only they are trying to show power, bulldoze with police force.